Yeah, it's nice.
Man, what do you think about it?
You see nothing but a rock.
Liam, do you like this trail? Yeah.
Woo!
Ooh, bumpy. Very.
Like you should be pointing it and showing down. Woo!
So bumpy. Look, we can see our school. Look. Oh, wait, no, where's your school? Oh, yeah, school.
You want to go to school, Wyatt?
Yeah. You're too young. I got school cheap.
You want to go to school in the Jeep, huh?
I'm going to turn right. I go turn car. Okay? Dada, go turn car.
Okay.
So I go turn the car. I go up there. Okay? Okay, I go up there.
so. Sounds like a Hellcat.
Yeah. Funny.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Be nice. Be nice. So, what? My cheek. Nice. Look. Daddy, look at me. Look.
Woo!
Bumpy.
So good.
Car.
Is there? Coming up or
Mhm.
down?
Up.
Okay, we'll pull over.
There is.
Get him.
Hmm?
Good eye, Liam. Way to look out, bud.
Oh, he
You're
has
welcome.
teeth. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, my goodness. This would be so fun on our bikes. Oh, that. It's so bumpy. Yeah.
I think Mama would have liked this.
Yeah.
Should've come. She would want to get a Jeep after this.
So you want to buy the Jeep?
She would want to get one, yeah. The Gladiator, the truck version.
How about we bring her next time in a Jeep? And then I'm gonna plug it in. And then the next time we come, we bring Wayne, and then we're all gonna be like, Wayne. How do we get over there? Is it through that little gate over there?
I'll show you when we get there.
Are we gonna go over there?
No, it's private property.
Then why do millions of people go over there? So much people go over there. Do they have to pay to go there?
I think it's some type of congregation or church. They all know each other.
All the cars are like ants.
See, this is what I was talking about. Some stupid litter balls. Drives me nuts.
Oh, we could have gone down the steep hill.
No, thank you.
The people would like to see that.
We'll go up the steep hill again. Down here.
Go up and down it. Pour some cars.
The camera will not show how steep it actually is.
Never does it justice, but it'll still look
We're almost there.
Yep.
I mean, to this part.
Whoop.
I did not see that truck coming.
Neither did I.
Okay.
Around the corner. That's what happens.
We've gotten pretty lucky with our coming across other vehicles where no one had to back up.
Mm-hmm.
We've had 3 vehicle encounters already. Yeah, let's go up it. Let's go up, come back down, and then we get it. What? Ah, my butt.
So if you go left here, Hayden, that's how you get to that church area.
Let's go. Wait, did you say private property?
Yeah, it's private property. You see there's cars back there parked?
Didn't we go back there before?
No,
Or was that the other area?
that was somewhere
big-
else.
the big-
Where it was really deep sand. Yeah. Man, this thing just eats up these bumps like nothing. Awesome. Because We know what this feels like on motorcycles, right?
Yeah.
We sure do. It's really bumpy on our bikes. Then when we go on in this thing, it feels like nothing. Oh, it feels like something, but not as much.
It would even be better if I aired down the tires some.
That would be really smooth then.
Oh yeah, that would be like extra suspension kinda.
Moving speedy up.
We're really close to the steep hill.
How long does that record before it shuts off?
I don't know.
Oh, it's still going this whole time?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
How long have we been
You
on?
must have accidentally hit the stop earlier.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys up for it one more time?
Yeah.
Can we go up the opposite way though?
What do you mean opposite way?
Like that steep way. Not down it when we go up it.
Hey, this is the hill.
Dun, dun, dun. And we did. Well, we already went up it, right? Can we do the other one after this one?
Which other one?
The one right across from it. It's so bumpy.
On camera, it doesn't look like much.
But in real life, it's really scary. Oh, it's fun, but scary. Okay, now it feels like we're about to trip.
That is too cool.
Yeah.
It's too cool to be true.
You can't even see at the top. You can't tell where you're coming down at.
Okay, now time to go down. Let's go down it.
Oh, you want to go the other way?
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's go down.
Liam, show them. That's what we're gonna do. Wait, show them with the what with the.
Wayne missed out.
He really did.
Windshield is very wet.
Yeah.
Okay, it's better now.
Let's go get it. Are we gonna go the opposite way now?
we'll go this way and then that's it.
Woohoo. I remember this was so scary, but now we're all like, okay, it's fine.
The other way is way scarier. This way's easy compared.
This way?
Yeah, this way's easier.
Bowling.
You can't even see when you go up this hill.
No.
On bikes, you can see way easier.
Yeah. But now, like, oh my god, I can see. But the driver can see, and I know that. Okay, we're tipping. We're done. We're dead. Let's go up the other one after this.
The camera barely shows anything.
Is that us?
It's just the engine slowing us down. Woo! Okay,
Let's
let's
go
take
that
it
way.
out of four though.
Phew, let's go. Okay, are we...
Should we go up this hill too?
That's nothing.
Aw. I want to try. Oh, man. Oh my god, what? That's real.
Windshield.
Are we going fast? Okay.
This isn't bad.
Yeah, it's fun. I like it.
Even with all these bumps, it's like nothing.
Oh, the trip's almost done. No. We did a jump.
We did a jump.
We did a jump.
That was fun.
Can we do that again?
No. That's good, but that was
Dude,
fun.
we did a jump with the car. Really? Did we really just do that?
Windshield.